How to fix Windows cannot access specified device path or file you may not have appropriate permissions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Windows cannot access specified device path or file you may not have appropriate permissions. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to take is open up your Windows Security. So search for Windows Security and hit enter. After you're on your Windows Security, you can then head over to your device security or app or browser control. App and browser control. After you're there, head over to reputation-based protection settings. Tap on that and scroll down right here. Inside here, you'll find potentially unwanted app blocking. Here, just unselect this for now, or you can simply turn it off for now. And after that, just download whatever you are trying to download and then turn it back on again. After you've done that, you can then cross it out and head over to the file location or folder location that you're trying to open. So let's say that this is the folder that I want to open. Right click on it. Head over to Properties. After you're on your Properties, you can head over to Security. And inside Security, you can see the group or usernames. So just make sure that you are the user that has the permission to use this. In my case, it's the second one. So you can tap on Edit from here. Tap on Edit. And after you've tapped on Edit, you can then make sure you can change the user. So here you can unselect on all the denies here and make sure everything is allowed. Tap on Apply and then tap on OK. After you've done that, your problem will get fixed and you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.